Welcome back. In today's tutorial, we are diving deep into the world of Excel function. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned user, understanding Excel function is essential for unlocking the full potential of those powerful tools. So let's get started, okay? So Excel function are like magic spell that can perform complex calculation manipulation with just a few key strokes. So in this tutorial, we will break down the basic and explore some advanced techniques to help you become an Excel wizard. Okay. So to begin our journey, let's start with some basic functions that we'll use frequently in Excel. And before that, I have used preferred simple data with few numerical data, and I want to work with different functions. So let's start with the sum function. Okay, the sum functions is your go-to adding a number in a range. Okay, simply when you enter to or use our function, you need to use the equal. Then, for example, I want to add this number with here, and let me use the sum function. Use the equal right here, the sum function, and followed by the range of cells you want to add up. For this tutorial, I use this range, then close it with the parenthesis, then hit on the OK. So here we got it, and here the add up the all numbers with this one. And next time, I apply the average function, which calculates the average of number in range. Okay, just type as usual. You use the equal, then right here the average function, and select this range, then plus it with your parenthesis, then hit on the OK. Okay, so for Excel calculates the average of the selected range, and with this number I only got the result over here. And the next one, we will use the count function. The count function is handy for counting the number of cells that contain numerical data. Okay, so this is the simple, and just right here the count function, and let me select this one and this range and pause it with the parenthesis, and Excel here calculates the digit of the number. It counts the number of Excel, count the cells with the numbers. Okay. So if I check out this one, like something, now you can see it doesn't count the text, but it also count all the numeric or the numbers with the cells. Okay. So now that we have covered the basics, let's explore some more advanced function that can take your Excel skill to the next level. Okay. So we'll VLOOKUP function, and VLOOKUP is a powerful function for finding retrieving data from a table. It's perfect for searching large data set, just like we used as the equal. Then right here, the VLOOKUP. The first one is a specific lookup value, and specify the lookup value and the table array, and this is the table array, and this is the column index number and the range lookup number. So when you look up, when you have the data set, you can easily find out. Before that, what I'm gonna do, let me insert here. If I gonna use this one, like if I say this is the like A or B or C, or like I can say, just say this or B, it will like A. Then I want to use here the VLOOKUP function. Let me use VLOOKUP. The first one is lookup for the to like C, so I will use the C for this one. And the next one is table array, so I want to select this array. Then the column index number, let me try to find out the column with the number B. So here this is the one and second column. So let me use the two columns, then lookup. Okay, so lookup or range lookup, I will use the false, the range lookup, then close it, then hit on the OK. So here we got it according to our selection. This is the column 2 or column second column. Now if I change here instead of C, if I use this one D, and what happened? So here we got it the result according to our VLOOKUP function. Okay, so this way you can easily find out the VLOOKUP function and different value. And the next one, the if function. The if function allows you to perform logical test and return difference value based on the result. So it's good for creating conditional formula. And like here, if I use simple like 60, 55, or 70, then I want to stay here the if function. If I use the if function, the logical test, I say it is greater than or equal to 60. So it will come up the value is 2. So I will write here the pass. So let me use this one and write here the pass. Then the next one I will use it false. So it will come up with the field. Okay. So I want to show this result, then press the enter. So here you got it the result, but if I gonna just drag in there, now you got it according to the function, if function according to our logical function. Okay. So Excel find out the Excel with the if formula, it is determine the pass or fail based on a score. Okay. So now let's move into another one like that concatenate. So our concatenate is perfect for combining text for multiple cells into one. So like here, if I want, or if you have the David or this one, and if I say this will be the John, and I want to combine those first name and second name in a single column, so I will use the concatenate. This one I can easily use it. Then the text, I want to use this text, then here the space, then again I want to use another text, this one, then close it with the parenthesis, then it say hit on the OK. So here we got it, and it also combined look like a single columns with the two columns. Okay, so and there you have it, with the basics and advanced Excel function under build your equipped to tackle any spreadsheet tasks with confidence. And remember to practice, experiment, truly master this function. Thanks for watching.